Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Okay, so you have to find out the room temperature of a room when there is a freezing process going on. That the at the starting room temperature is 40 degree Celsius, and at every hour it is decreasing or lowering by 5 degree centigrade. Okay, so you have to find out what will be the room temperature after 10 hours if the temperature is lowering for 5 degree centigrade per hour. So whenever first you have to write that lowering of temperature means you have to represent it by a negative integer. Okay, so what will be the expression? Say 40 degree centigrade was the starting temperature 40, and this is lowering 5 degree centigrade, that means -5. Okay, and for how many hours? 10 hours. So this the temperature it is decreasing by, so it will be -50. So what will be the room temperature? 40 plus -50. Okay, so plus minus is minus, answer will be -10. So after 10 hours the room temperature will be -10 degree centigrade. Next is question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks awarded for every correct answer and -2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions not attempted. That means +5 for every correct answer, okay, and -2 for incorrect answer and 0 for not attempted. Okay, now first you have to find out what will Mohan gets if Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. That means 4 correct means Mohan, that what will be the score of Mohan? 4 correct, that means 5 into 4 is 20 and 6 incorrect. So for 6 -2 into 6 is -12. So his score will be 20 plus -12. So 20 plus minus is minus. So 8. 8 will be Mohan's score. Second and 2 will be your homework. You will try yourself. If you can't do it, ask me, then I'll clarify your doubt during doubt session. Next is question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of ₹8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of ₹5 per bag of grey cement sold. Okay, you know that for profit, it is positive integer, that means +8, and for loss it is negative integer, that means -5. Okay, so if the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month, what will be its profit or loss? So it has sold how many white cement? 3000 bags. So its profit will be, profit for white bags will be 8 into 3000. So it is 24,000 rupees. So it will be 24,000 rupees. Now loss will be, it has sold 5000 grey cement, 5000 bags of grey cement. So minus 5 into 5000. So it will be minus 25. Minus 25,000. So net income of that company will be 24,000 plus minus 25,000. Okay, so 24,000 minus 25,000, this answer is minus 1,000. So what is this? Profit or loss? If it is a negative integer, that means company will face loss of 1000 rupees. Understood? Second and third you will do yourself. Okay? And if you can't do, then ask me. Thank you.